2024 M3 Competition. Got the stock factory mufflers in the back, factory black powder coated tips. It comes with the valve controls on the back. We're getting rid of it. We're upgrading it for the Valvetronic Cat Back. Full titanium cat back to maximize the weight reduction and the sound. So we're doing a 3.5-inch mid pipe, getting rid of these two resonators, running a 2-to-1 3.5-inch mid pipe to maximize the performance and make it sound pretty sweet. So the 3.5-inch mid pipe on these cars sound badass. In my opinion, they sound a little bit better than an X pipe. These fucking super tedious 10mm bolts going in. Got the factory valves bolted in there. I think this actually might work. So we're just gonna have to test it. Hopefully all the sport controls line up and we get some fucking pops and bangs. So we're setting the tips up on this thing. The fitment's pretty hit or miss on these systems, but looks like we lined it up. We switched over the hangers. We made everything fit. A little bit of a jigsaw puzzle. So we figured it out at G Exhaust, guys.
Valvetronic system installed on the BMW M3 Competition. The thing weighs lighter than a newborn baby compared to the traditional steel systems. This is a good alternative to other bolt-on systems. You could attempt to do this in your driveway, but it will be a little bit tedious. You could always pull up to the shop, G Exhaust, Davie, Florida, G Exhaust in Oakland Park, Florida, or reach out to us on Instagram at G Exhaust. Guys, drop a comment, let me know what you think.